details. The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Potter County until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Valley de Oro to 14 miles north of Amarillo to 10 miles north of Washburn, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Amarillo and Valley de Oro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Potter, Texas.
Tired of being silenced? Feel like you're being held back from mainstream platforms? Rumble is your free speech sanctuary. Join thousands of other content creators. Join Rumble.com. Choose an open internet and free expression. Choose Rumble.com today. Sponsored by Rumble.
Hi, it's Jeff with JeffBuysYourHouse.com. Since 2007, we've been helping Chicagoland homeowners sell without the stress. We've earned hundreds of 5-star Google reviews and an A+ rating with the BBB. We don't just buy houses. We help through the entire transition with understanding and care. No cleanout, no repairs, and always on your timeline. Sell your house to the trusted source by calling us at 630-937-3122. That's 630-937-3122 or JeffBuysYourHouse.com.